Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know what video it is today? It's a DIY. Yay! You know I love DIYs. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Miriam and we do a lot of fun stuff here like travel vlogs, my life in China, and I give a few tips about life in China, how to be an ESL teacher in China, and all the travels we did in Asia and all that fun stuff. But recently I have been enjoying a lot DIYs, and if you know me from Instagram, we moved to this new place here in Canada, and we're trying both of us to make it our own and just make it homey. So I've been collecting few stuff like furniture, I've been doing a few DIYs. But if you saw one of our videos, we went to Ikea. We actually drove like 6 hours just to go to Ikea and get our stuff that we want, because this province doesn't have Ikea. So sad. But anyways, we got our stuff and I forgot a few stuff, but I was happy that I got most of the stuff that I wanted. And when I got those stuff, I already had a few ideas of what I want to do with that. So that's why today's video is IKEA hacks. So let's start with the first project. This first project, what I used is a glass vase. This glass vase in IKEA, they come in like set of 3. I had this like small one, and I like actually you can do it with any size, but I chose this small one, and guys, it turned out so good. So what I did here, I needed cane. And I'm going to say it again. I love cane, and I love caning and everything with cane. I know I told you that, but I just had to say it again. It was so simple. I just took the cane and I rolled it around the vase, and I like measured how much I wanted. I just cut it. I actually want to work with it just like that, but it was a little bit hard to work with it. So what I did was soak it again, like in my last video with the cane again, with the projects with the cane. I soaked it in the water for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then I worked with it. Guys, I'm so sorry because I thought I actually recorded like the process. My camera was there, I thought it was recording, but I actually didn't press the recording, I think, because I couldn't find the I'm sorry about that, but it was like super easy. What I did, I just like rolled the cane around my vase, and I was actually thinking of like sewing it with like needle and string, but then I was like, okay, it's not gonna be too secure, so I used hot glue, and I glued the cane first to the glass, and then I rolled it and I put at the other end I put glue, and it was already good. Like, it was really good to go. And as you can see from the top, it was like perfectly lined. It was like crisp and lined and really finished. But the bottom was a little bit it was a little bit off. So what I did, I cut it again a little bit in the bottom, and I didn't have that a little bit thick of a cane like to have it around to cover that part. So what I did, you know, when you cut your cane, there are some strings that come. So I took few long ones, like 3 or 2, and then I put them in the bottom like around to cover all that excess that I have there, and I just glued it, and it was like so good. It just looked so good. So for this project, you can use it as a vase for your plant or as a candle holder. It looks actually so cute as a candle holder, especially at night when you have all the light coming out from the in between the cane, and it looks so pretty. So let's go ahead and see how it looks. For the second project, what I needed is this basket. Actually, I saw many people use few baskets, different baskets, but I saw this basket in IKEA and I got it. It was like really cute, but it's just like, for me, it's really hard like for it to stand still if I want to put stuff in it. It just like keeps kind of moving. I was like, okay, this one is like perfect for a pendant light. So I used that to make a pendant light and I love it. But the thing is, I forgot, I actually was planning on getting this cord that you can get in IKEA to make your own pendant light, and like you can plug it, but I forgot it. Yeah. So I was like, okay, IKEA is so far. And if I want to order it on Amazon, it's gonna take too long to arrive here. And I was going through my stuff and I found this light that I got from China. I got it with me and I have like 3 of them and I was like, okay, wait, this would work, and it works with batteries. So I was like, this actually can work. So I was like, why not? Like, let's try it. It worked perfectly. So what I did here, I just needed to make a little hole, and I didn't want to make it too big because I don't want the light to come out after putting it in. So I was very careful about like making that little hole. But for me, this was a challenge. It was like really challenging without the right tools, but I did it. Yay! I did it and it went there perfectly. I like the color of this basket already, but what you can do is that you can always customize it if you want to spray paint it with any color that will match your space. Or you can also, I saw people doing like half white, half just like the natural color that it has. Some people actually added tassels. You know me and tassels. All the videos that I made so far had tassels. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna do any tassels here. So yeah, but it's an idea if you want. It looks like super pretty with tassels as well. And yeah, so for me, I just want to keep it that way, just with a neutral color. Its natural color was perfect for my space. So yeah, that was it. And it looked so pretty. Shall we go ahead and see how it looks like now? For the third project, I love this project. Guys, I love this project. I think it's one of my favorite. It turned out really good. So for this project, what I needed is this little rug or carpet, little rug, yeah. It's on IKEA and it was so cheap, like $3, something like $4. And actually was like, okay, I'm gonna take 2 because one, I wanted to do like still keep it as a rug and then do few designs to that we'll see about that later. And for another one, I was like, okay, like, you know, the texture of this rug is so good. You guys, it's so good. The color, like the way it is made, it's really good quality for the price, and I love it. It's one of my favorite things in IKEA. So when I saw it, I was like, this would make a really, really good pillows. And I actually saw some people who did like pillows that were kind of like too long, and I saw people doing a little basket with that. It turned really good. That's actually an idea too. But I really needed a throw pillow, another throw pillow, you guys. This is the third video of DIYs, a throw pillow in every DIY video that I have made so far. And yeah, I needed a throw pillow that will go well in my bedroom. And the color of this rug was perfect. Love the texture, love the color. I don't know if you can see it well, but it looks like this. So what I'm gonna do here So I'm going to fold it like this, and then I'm going to bring this one this way and the other one over here. Something like this. I still don't know, should I do it like that or more like this? This looks cute too, right? Or like this. Which one looks better? This or this or this? This one looks kind of clean, right? The other one looks more like a boho kind of. I'm so indecisive. If you know me, I'm so indecisive. I always have to ask everyone around me this or this, that or this. Yeah, that's me. So after deciding how I want my pillow, I had to keep it that way and then just hot glue it. You guys, this hot glue works perfect. Like, I didn't need to sew it or anything. I don't have a sewing machine, and it's going to take me too long to just sew it by hand. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna see if this glue is going to work or not, and it worked perfectly. And I was like, okay, there is no need for me to sew it again because I don't feel like doing it, and it's just gonna take so much time. So yeah, that glue just saved my life. And that's it. I glued that part, and then I went ahead and I filled the pillow. I had actually this old pillow that I didn't like, and I just cut it open and I got filler from it, and then I used it in this new pillow because it deserves it. It's so pretty. So that was it. It was quite easy, but the little bit of a challenging part was this part at the end when I had to glue it after filling it up. It was like all over the place. So that was the only challenging part about it. But if you guys are able to, you can always use zipper. It's just that I don't have zipper, I don't have time, I don't have patience to do that. So I was like, okay, hot glue is a life savior. So that's all I did, and the pillow turned out really good. Like, really, really good. It's actually one of my favorite projects so far. No, just in this video, because I love all my DIYs. I like them. Anyways, that was it, and it looks really nice. I'm obsessed with the result, so why not go ahead and see how it looks like. All for today's video, you guys. I hope you liked today's project. Please comment down below which one is your favorite, because I like them all. I cannot choose. Help me choose, please. This is it for today. I hope this inspires you to do something at home, to create your own things, and please subscribe if you are not. It will mean a lot to me, and I'm going to see you next time with more videos coming soon. Bye.